Hardwood floor trends in 2025 emphasize sustainability, durability, and natural beauty, with a focus on eco-friendly materials and finishes. Light-toned wood floors, such as ash, white oak, and maple, are gaining popularity for their ability to brighten spaces and create an airy, open feel. These lighter shades also offer a modern, minimalist aesthetic that complements various interior styles. Sustainability is a major trend, with homeowners increasingly opting for reclaimed or recycled wood to reduce their environmental impact. Engineered hardwood is also favored for its eco-friendliness and durability, offering the look of solid wood with improved resistance to moisture and wear. Matte finishes are in high demand, giving floors a natural, understated look while minimizing glare and imperfections. Wide plank flooring is a key trend in 2025, with planks up to 7 or 8 inches wide adding a sense of luxury and spaciousness to rooms. The wider format highlights the natural grain patterns, making the wood a prominent feature in the design. Herringbone and chevron patterns are making a comeback, adding a classic yet contemporary touch to hardwood floors. Gray and greige, a blend of gray and beige, tones continue to be popular, offering a versatile neutral palette that complements both modern and traditional interiors. However, deeper tones like espresso, charcoal, and even black hardwood floors are also making a statement, adding drama and sophistication to living spaces. Natural, unfinished looks are trending as well, with floors that showcase raw wood textures and imperfections, embracing the wabi-sabi aesthetic of finding beauty in the imperfect. Distressed and hand-scraped finishes are favored for adding character and texture to hardwood floors, creating a vintage or rustic vibe that feels lived in and welcoming. Water-resistant and waterproof hardwood options are becoming more common, making wood floors practical even in areas like kitchens and bathrooms. Mixed-width planks are also gaining traction, offering a more dynamic, custom look that breaks away from traditional uniform flooring designs. Satin and low-gloss finishes are increasingly preferred over high-gloss, as they provide a more natural appearance while being easier to maintain. Multi-tonal wood floors, which feature subtle variations in color, are trending for their ability to add depth and visual interest to a space. Custom stains are becoming popular, allowing homeowners to personalize the color of their floors to match their unique design vision. Inlay designs, where different wood species or colors are used to create intricate patterns, are gaining popularity as a way to make hardwood floors a true focal point. Eco-conscious homeowners are also gravitating towards sustainably harvested hardwoods, certified by organizations like the Forest Stewardship Council, FSC, ensuring that their flooring choices support responsible forestry practices.